So today guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang e-appointment system ng BIR. So, type lang natin guys, e-appointment BIR. And kapag ka nandito na tayo, make sure lang guys na yung i-click nyo is yung legit na page na www.bir.gov.ph. Click lang natin. So, papasok tayo dito. Ito yung una nyong makikita pag clinic nyo yon. So, schedule your next visit with us, reserve your time and date of visit, skip long queue, save time. Okay, read more. So guys, ito, sabi dito, before you proceed on your scheduled appointment, here are some reminders. Okay, kasi kapag ka hindi mo dala or kulang yung mga requirements din na dala mo, hindi ka rin nila ma-entertain guys. Hindi mo rin matatapos kung ano yung mga dapat mong tapusin. Complete the required documentary requirements. So it is important that you bring all the required documents. I-fill out and i-print. So mamaya guys, ipapakita ko kung paano nyo ma-check yung mga checklist of documentary requirements or CDR. The next, kailangan daw 5 minutes ahead of your confirmed schedule appointment, dapat nandun ka na. And nagbibigay sila ng 10 minutes grace period will be permitted for unforeseen delays. And then after that, after 10 minutes na hindi ka pa nakadating, your appointment shall be deemed canceled. So guys, please make sure kung pupunta na rin kayo, make sure na agahan nyo na para walang nasasayang na oras guys. Please take note that each confirmed appointment schedule is for single transaction only. One confirmed schedule is equals to one transaction. Or otherwise guys, kung marami or bulk transaction daw kayo, ita-transfer kayo sa walk-in transactions dun sa regular lanes. Then make sure din guys na correct yung RDO office ninyo, yung Revenue District Office ninyo, kung saan kayo nakatira. May kanya-kanyang RDO tayo na kung saan tayo pwedeng mag-book ng appointment. So, hindi pwede guys na ang RDO na lang yung i-click mo. Hindi guys. Kailangan make sure na alam mo yung RDO. E-appointment system is available to selected RDOs and large taxpayers division. So, itong e-appointment, hindi siya available sa lahat guys. May mga selected RDOs lamang yung paggamit ng e-appointment system. So marami pa tayong mga dapat pag-aralan dito guys. Kung ready na kayo, kung okay na lahat, click book now. So ito guys, yung mga regular large taxpayer, merong pwedeng mag-set ng virtual meeting sa kanila. So dito natin makikita yung mga RDO. So dito, from 1, 2, 3 hanggang yan guys. I-select nyo lang kung saan yung Revenue District Office ninyo. So for example, gamitin ko tong RDO number 21B South Pampanga. I-click lang tong select a service. And then marami makakapag-check kayo dito. Dito sa baba, pwede rin siyang dito, register a business. Kung magbabay ka ng BIR printed receipt or invoice. For new business registrants lang to guys. Then next, apply for an authority to print. Pwede rin. Register books of accounts. Apply 14 kung wala pa. So, pwede rin mag-i-appointment na. Pwede rin update registration information. Ito guys, yung pwede kang mag-change ng yung registered name ng trade name ng business. Pwede rin dito yung mag-change ka ng civil status sa teen from single to married. Marami pa guys. Apply for transfer of registration. Pwede rin yung update or change or replacement of certificate of registration. Apply for closure of business or cancellation of registration. Account enrollment, activation of e-service, releasing of COR, ATP, ATP authority to print, rescheduled pickup for online submission, and application. So dito guys, dito yung sinasabi ko kanina na dito yung mga documentary requirements na kailangan. Yung mga pag clinic nyo yan, for example, register a business. Click lang natin to guys. So magdadirect tayo dito. So ito yung mga checklist of documentary requirements. So nandito na lahat yun guys, yung mga application of teen, application for registration, andito na lahat yun guys. So pipiliin mo lang siya dito. For example, itong CDR number F1101, application for registration, self-employed individuals, estates and trusts. So click lang yan guys. I-print nyo lang to guys. Ito yung mga kailangan natin para sa application for registration. For sole proprietor, professionals, mixed income earners, ito yung number 1 na kailangan natin, yung BIR form number 1901 version January 2018. 2 copy po na original. Guys, take note guys, 2 original copy. So kung magre-register kasi kayo, optional, pwede kayong bumili pag new registrant. Pwede kayong bumili sa PIR mismo ng printed receipt nila or invoice. For the first time, pwede. So, ito guys, kailangan dapat meron kang accredited printer na magpiprint ng receipt mo or yung invoice. So, next itong payment, registration. Ito ang alam ko, wala na tong registration na to na 500 pesos. So, ito guys, yung mga additional documents, if applicable lang, kung hindi kayo yung tatransact or yung representative nyo lang, so, kailangan nyo ng SPA or any government issued ID of the authorized representative. And then, ito kailangan natin tong DTI certificate, 1 copy, 1 photocopy, kung may business name. Kung may BMBE kayo guys, kung nag-register kayo as BMBE, dali nyo na rin 1 copy. And then ito naman, kung kabilang kayo dito sa mga BOI, PEZA, TIEZA, TEZA, SBMA, so 1 copy. Kung hindi naman, no need, hindi nyo kailangang dalhin. So, ito lang yung mga kailangan guys. So, kung ready ka na guys, halina't mag-book na tayo. Click the book now. This one, agree. And then, i-select nyo lang dito yung service na gusto nyo. registration of business, apply authority to print, application 14. Basta i-select nyo lang dito guys, dito kayo mamimili. For example, yung kaninang sinample ko na is registration for business of a business. So, click lang yan guys. And then, so look at this guys. April 1 pa lang today pero wala nang available slot for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. So, yung pinakamaagang available date na is April 9, which is 12 o'clock PM na, guys. So, kung ano yung pinakamas maaga na need mo, guys, na kung ano yung pinakamaaga. So, usually, itong registration of business, ito yung mga talaga, na mabilis mapuno to guys. So, ito, for example, mag-apply ka lang ng TIN. Ito guys, so, ang dami pang available date. As in, puno pa lahat. Hindi pa siya na, look, kung magre-register kayo ng business, ito guys, for example, ito, pinili ko tong 9 and 12 o'clock. And then, after that, guys, ang gagawin lang natin is fill up lang yung first and last name mo. Juan De La Cruz. And then, yung email mo. Make sure guys na correct yung email mo kasi dyan sila magsasend ng confirmation na okay yung binook mo. And then dito yung name, taxpayer name. Okay. And then TIN optional, address optional. And then click lang to guys. Click lang tong button dito. And then after that, click the book now. So later guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung may lalabas guys, kung ano yung lalabas na dun sa booking nyo. And then, makaka-receive din kayo ng email. Confirmation email. So ito yung magpa-pop off after yung book now. Ito naman guys yung marireceive mo sa email. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe po. Thank you so much. God bless.